Hello all. My name is Kavya. I'm working in a project, a jellyfish project from ICAR-CMFRI. Today I'll be giving a talk on association of jellyfish Catostylus perezi with crustaceans, a preliminary observation from the Gulf of Kutch, Gujarat. So Gujarat is one of the few states in India where jellyfish fishery as well as export of jellyfish is taking place. And in Gujarat, there is the jellyfish fishery is taking place in about two season-wise jellyfish fishery is taking place. And the first season, it will be in summer monsoon as well as in winter monsoon. So the first is from the month of April, May, and the next season is November and December. And mainly the jellyfish fishery is focused in Catostylus perezi and Rhopalima hispidum. Other species are also present there, but mainly these two species, these edible two species are focused for the jellyfish fishery in Gujarat. So considering the jellyfish landing in the Gulf of Kutch, that is my location, study location. So we have the landing is about 13,569.95 metric tons in the year 2017 to 20. So from this, among this, about 11,140.93 metric tons was Catostylus perezi itself. So there is fishery in jellyfish, and now we are able to know the fishery is fishery related to fisheries. So, but there is no study on the jellyfish association, which is essential to understand their relationship and ecology. So this is the map of Gujarat, and you can see the Gulf of Kutch over here. So this will be in the part of northeastern Arabian Sea, and this Gulf of Kutch is the inlet of Arabian Sea itself. And you can see this is the part where our sampling took place. This is a part where our sampling took place. It's near Oka. So these are some of the photographs of our sampling. We have done onboard jellyfish surveys, and in the month of November 2022, as well as November 2023, October and November 2023. Recently, we have done a sampling. So for a sampling, we have used the scoop net, because while we go through the boat, we have about gone to 6-meter depth, and we can see the jellyfish that are coming up to the surface. So we can just scoop the jellyfish through scoop net, and then we carefully examined. We took the morphometric measurements of the jellyfish, and we carefully examined the jellyfish. There we found some association with species. So these are some of the photographs of our sampling. So we sampled about 453 jellyfish, and among that, we got about 106 associated jellyfish. We got 106 jellyfish associated with other animals, which include crabs, then shrimps, and fish. Fishes were juveniles. So the percentage, when we considering the percentage, about 23% jellyfish observed with other fishes, with crabs, shrimps, juvenile fishes. And about the total associated species that is found in the jellyfish, about 79% was crab, and 11.4% was fish, and shrimp was about 9.5%. So the majority of the associated species we found was crab, and it was clinging to the majority of the crab. For instance, 90% of the crab was clinging to the oral arms of the jellyfish, while 10% was inside the umbrella. So we made this bar diagram, that is oral arm length, with the percentage of association. So in this, we can see that jellyfish within the range of 10.1 to 15 has a majority associated, for example, they have about 50.4% association And so that so the jellyfish with 10.1 to 15 centimeter oral arm length showed 54% association with jellyfish, and number of association found was found to be 38%. 38 number of association was found in that that range of jellyfish with oral arm length of 10.1 to 15.0. And similarly, we have done the umbrella diameter of the jellyfish when we considering, but there wasn't much significant trend was noted in this type of when considering the umbrella diameter as well as the associated species. But in for example, you can see that in the range of jellyfish with a range of umbrella diameter 5.1 to 10 centimeter, that has much association, but the sampling but the samples we got was small. So there isn't much recent or much significant trend in this. So let's go to the summary. And most likely relationship between the crab and Catostylus perezi, we would be suggesting that it will be commensalism, because when we have taken about 456 samples, and none of the jellyfish we found was any damage or nothing was present, because the crab, it might damage jellyfish, but it doesn't have any. So the most likely relationship will be the commensalism, and this is considering as a preliminary survey. We going to that. Then this relationship benefits one of the members without harming others, that is commensalism. And so to further prove the association, we have to do some more sampling, and so more sampling required to understand this association and this role in marine ecosystem. We have already taken some samples for stable isotope analysis also, so that we would be able to get good results about the association as well. So thank you for your attention.